Hi guys, welcome to another video. This video is going to be very interesting for you because in this video we will teach you how to defend yourself if someone grabs you from behind and pulls you up, then how to defend yourself. So let's start. If he grab like this and pull you up, so what technique will you use for him? If he is your friend and you don't want to harm him, then we will teach you the best technique to defend him and not harm for him. If he is not your friend, then you can use another technique, then you can kick him in the middle like this. But you can't do this technique with everyone. We will teach you the best technique that you can do with everyone easily. So let's start the technique. If he grabs you and lifts you up, then what should you do here? Here you can use your mind. As he lifts you up, then you have to twist your body quickly like this. Here you can check my legs position. Now step number 2, you will bring your hand under his knee and grab his knee like this. Now lift up his knee with your both hands and throw him back like this. Guys, now we'll show you this technique from the side angle that you can understand easily. So let's start the technique. If he grabs you and lift you up, then twist your body and keep your legs position like this. Now bring your hand under his knee and throw him back with your both hands support. Guys, now we will show you this technique one more time from the other angle. I think you can understand easily.